Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Well, researchers theorize that chewing ice sends more blood to the brain, temporarily improving alertness and clarity of thought. This feels good, and so they keep doing it even when it causes dental problems.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, eating ice does not dehydrate you. When the ice melts, it will add water to your body. That's why they tell you not to eat ice to stay hydrated. You need to first melt the ice, so it will not lower your core temperature.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pagophagia is the name of the medical condition that means compulsive ice eating. Craving ice can be a sign of a nutritional deficiency or an eating disorder. It may even harm your quality of life. Chewing ice can lead to dental problems, such as enamel loss and tooth decay.
Take our lead.
Many people wait too long to eat, then eat very large portions, Lamond says. This can cause gas or even diarrhea because there's just too much stress on the stomach. Avoid icy, hot, and fizzy drinks. Cold or hot liquids and carbonated drinks can also trigger gas or bloating, she says.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.